In this video, I'll show you how to download an X.com or Twitter photo in just a few seconds. This is a super simple method, and it works on most desktop browsers, whether you're using X.com or the older Twitter interface. If this quick tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open X or Twitter in your browser and find the image you want to download. You can scroll through your feed, open a post, or visit a profile until you locate the photo you want to save. Once you've found the image, move your mouse over it and right-click on the photo. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Save Image As. After that, your computer will open a save window. Now choose the destination folder where you want to store the image. You can save it to your Downloads folder, desktop, or any custom folder you prefer. If you want, you can also rename the file before saving it so it's easier to find later. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The image will now be downloaded to your device and saved in the folder you selected. It's a fast and easy way to download photos from X.com or Twitter without needing any extra tools or software. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.